Font size. Okay, so body font size. I have this at 1 rem. If I double the font, go to 2.5. I probably need to make these bigger. So this might actually this might go back to a 2 again. Something like that. That's a little bit too big. Yeah, 32. That's a little bit too big. Let's cut that in half, and then what I can do is I can do a custom variable here. So basic font size. Can I do a variable declaration at this point? So I can just say like base font size is, let's do, instead of 2 and instead of 1, let's do 1.5 rem and see how that works. Base font size. Okay, I forgot the name of the variable right away. Base font size. Now this one would be interesting because I want to use var base font size plus 0.5. I think that was it. I don't know if this is going to have a problem. It did have a problem. Okay, hold on. I don't want any of the info anymore. Okay, so it needs to be in that root section. I've not really worked with, I stopped doing a lot of web dev, like the CSS type stuff after, like right before variables were released and everything else. And I only use the basics of, SAS. Okay, do I need to do this with root? Was that what I do with this? So I do like that. Success. Okay, so I can do multiple roots though, right? Okay, that's a little bit better. No idea, never saw it in your career. Yeah. Let's see. This image needs to be scaled up a little bit, I feel like. Which is an image. Can I make that bigger? I can. So do I want to do height instead? Oh, that pushes it to the left and right. But that's probably better. So like 2.3 RAM is fine. So image thumbnail. I wonder if I want to give that a like a logo class. Don't have an image. Okay, so where did this come from? This came from, oh, it's style. Okay, so it's in the app. So this is not here. Nav bar. Right, because I have this BB icon. Oh, this is where I can set out. Okay, so if it's a brand, which one is mine? So we have star. Wait a second. Link to type brand. Okay, icon type is brand. Brand is to there. Oh, brand. Okay, brand is there. I don't like that. You should yell at me because I'm missing a couple, I bet. So the rest of these, what am I missing? All of these. Ah, okay. Oh, right. These are overrides. So I just want you to be nuns, except for my brand. Okay, for you, we're going to have a sum. Wait, so with this, I can actually just do, I think, that directly, can I? And we can have a, I want a height to be 2.3 rem. Looks a little bit better. Oh yeah, that's a good point. Where did I have that? Yeah, okay, so it's a different stylist thing that has the width and okay. Where does that go? Oh, so it's on images? Let's see. So the wrong thing. Okay, so image source class image fluid image thumbnail none icon type CSS this is where I just added that one. Okay, and then there's one more. Classes clone. Okay. So, okay, whatever is passed in here. So, let's see. This is navbar. Oh, has no classes added to it. What? Wait, telescope 150. Wait. What's the telescope? Is that a thing here? Can I do telescope? No, that's not a thing. Oh yeah, search my code for 150 pixels. Yeah, let's do that. Element icon, there it is. So with this, I wonder if I want to switch these to height. Or I wonder if I want, okay, yeah, so I did icon size. It's in the icon size. Which sets the width to be hard-coded things. Now I know how big this image is. I mean, I could just set it to be, I mean, we could just set it to be it's 150 right now. I could set it to be a large. Wonder what that would look like. So, okay, proper else icon size is normal. We have BB icon size. Oh, okay, proper else, which means that's why it's normal. It's just size. Okay. So that makes that bigger, which is that actually kind of looks right at home with the rest of this. So that's fine. There we go. I don't have to make any code changes. More than we've already made, which means I should probably undo all that width stuff that we tried to do. Why are you so upset? Unreachable pattern. Is that because I already have star? Did you add a whole bunch of other... Rust analyzer. Okay. That's what I want. You're happy there. Hey, now I don't have that weird white outline that I have before, that I had before, because I'm not doing the weird height stuff. Okay, it is nice like when the systems I set up previously can actually just be used. The only problem is I forget that I have them. Everton, hello, how are you doing today? Okay, so that's that. Double check that everything else still looks okay. I'm zoomed out. Okay, so we have you. This is all looking good so far for me. So, okay, homepage there, homepage here. Shouldn't you be inside of... Do I want this to... No, I want that to show up here too. Now that's... Okay, so you show up across the entire top, which I think is fine. Actually, it looks pretty good here. Like eventually once I get to like an insane small, it starts looking bad, but nobody's going to use that small of a device, right? In before somebody is like purposely going to be watching it on their watch or something, and then like submits a ticket saying like, hey, nothing looks good. Okay, that looks good. Everything's fine on the homepage. Now we go into courses. All right, so courses. This is fine so far, I think, on this size. And I think you're now fine so far here. You'd probably make the card the same height regardless of text. Yeah, why? Hold on. Oh yeah, you stopped being the same height too here too. It used to be the same height. What did I do to break that? How would I do that when I have dynamic amount of text? Align center? Let's try it. So if we have, let's say I add that to card. Ooh, do I add the card or card body? Probably card, right? So card, what if I do... You said align center? There's no align center. Align content center? That doesn't do that. Probably the row, okay. Yeah. Let's turn that off. Oh, your flex up here. It's not where I put that flex. But that's probably because there's a div between them. Oh, align items. Oh, that's jumping up and down, but it's not making it the size. Stretch doesn't stretch it. Oh, I've probably done other bad things. I wouldn't be surprised if I set the height somewhere. With this fit content, which is not being applied. Max height. Let's see. Card. Okay. Is a max width. It has a height which is not set. So yeah, that's not doing anything. Yeah, there's no height set for the yew. Card body, yeah, let's take a look at that. We have flex. We have some padding. We have some line height stuff. I don't understand why sometimes it filters down properly and sometimes it doesn't. Like when I do max, that filters down. Let's try it here though. So if I card body and I do align, I think that's going to be it. It might be the flex one auto. Let's see. Nope. That flex grow, shrink, and then basis. What's basis? Oh, I can't change that. Oh, I can change it here. None here. Okay, so if I just do flex one. Oh, oops. Didn't mean to remove the flex altogether. Yeah, so that didn't work. So I want it to be the flex grow. None of those. Oh, flex shrink should be 0. Okay, let's flex grow 1. No. Let's flex shrink 0. I hope I don't have to like put an important on this. Nope. Okay. So don't have to put an important on it. Stop it. Go away. Let's see. We should look at the other card. This is the smaller one. Oh, I should be doing it on here. Align self stretch. Interesting. Okay. And ad break starts already in 40 seconds. That feels really fast. Has time actually been flying that fast? Or I guess it's now every half an hour. That's I guess we got into flow. So okay, card. I want to do CSS takes your time and soul. Yeah. I've worked with some people that have always been really good at CSS, and like I've always been able to just get by. Yeah, so stretch doesn't do this. Now, do I have to do this display flex to get that to work too? No. Oh, and this doesn't work because it's not a grid flex item. This A tag, if I make you display flex. Oh, it's justify content stretch. Okay, so hold on, let's reset. Let's try the card first. So for the card, if we do justify, wait, where's here the flex. Okay. In the row. Oh, okay. So in the row, I want to put, I have flex wrap. Okay, so justify content, align items only work. Okay, so if let's say I just put on this element here, and we're gonna do justify content, stretch. I'm a little bit worried. No, okay, that's on the flex. Do I have to do both align items then also? No, that didn't stretch either. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if I had an override on this somewhere. I'm checking every once in a while the important just to see whether or not that works. Plus, I'm attaching this to the element. And because that's a style directly on here, this has the highest, what is it called in, I'm muted? What happened? It still shows me going out. Still shows audio going out. That's weird. Hold on, let me. Yeah, okay, I can hear that. Oh, that's weird. I wonder why like that suddenly muted. Also, hello, Skimmis. How are you doing today? Oh, Twitch. I mean, I think we can still just blame Twitch if you want. Okay, so what? At one point in time, I had them at the same height, and then I did something, and that changed it. so here's this row. Now we have this flex, which I have two flexes, two display flexes. Yeah, definitely a lot of LMS work recently, which is good. We're getting ready to deploy and release the full Docker course. All right, so refresh that. So we know we're working on the latest stuff. We go to our here's that row. Yeah, I know it doesn't matter because it'll choose which one. Let's see. I wonder if it's in the card that I did something here. I have my max widths, which like set that, but those aren't going to set the heights. I have this height, but that the card height is not set. Which that's interesting. Can I? Like maybe I'm gonna do like 25 rem. That sets the height. But now it's hard coded, and that's a problem. So yeah, that's. Oh, what about call SM? Look at that. So the call SM goes. I wish I could move my mouse while I'm got that highlighted. The call SM takes up that entire size. So we have the full size here at the call SM. And I don't have any special heights here. So, oh, maybe it's the A tag. Because I wrap it with an A tag. So hold on, if I make you. Oh, it won't care about that. Right, because your display inline, what if I also display. Oh, inline block. Okay, display inline block. Inline flex. Display inline flex. That's it. Okay, where is that? That is in the card list. Wait a second, it's not card list, it's the card. So I have this wrap and link function. Here's this link. So, okay, I want to display inline flex. Do I have anything? I don't have anything in here for inline flex. I want, it's not really an overrides, it's a layout. Okay, so this will work with all the ones surrounded by a link. Yeah, I might not need. So let's save you, rebuild you. No, I do think I need the height because that didn't do it. Let's double check that it, yeah, so here's my inline flex. So I have this display inline flex. If I have like a height here of 100%, that does it. So I do need the height of 100%. It would be really cool if I had like an H. Like H100, like do 100%. Well, would you look at that? There is an H100. Okay, so now these, okay, let's back home. So I probably want these to be the same size now. These aren't links. They're normal cards. So I want to do probably the same thing to them. So I have a card, and then we just have a column here. And the call is the full size. So the card, I want to have a height of 100%, right? Yeah. Which means I might not need to have this here because I'm going to put this on the card. I wonder if I can put it on the child. We're going to find out. If not, it's not going to be that big of a deal because 100% of 100% is 100%. That's card body. Where's the card? So if I do that, okay, so the height stay there. That doesn't get like absurdly high. That's good. Courses, I do need it on the, okay. Yep, never mind. I want the link tag. It's like, why can't I find it? It's because I'm in the wrong project here. I'm navigating through all of this. And so when I go back and forth, I need to remember which one we're on. And I have the titles here, but I sometimes don't remember to look at it. Okay, interlink. There's an H100. So we resave you. And down here, H100 there. So cards and the link have that. Why didn't you update? Okay, so card has height 100, and you have you don't have height 100. Huh. I have multiple links here. So wrap and link H100. Hold on, let me. Won't work because the div will be 100% of the A tag. But I need but 100% of the A tag. I want the A tag because you're a link. What? Okay. Now I'm confused. What is this? This is a card link. Okay, so this is it. There we go. Now they're the same height. All right, so stop. Come here. Okay, you're not the same height anymore. Okay, so this column here. Now I was trying to set this class equals card. I wonder if I just want to make card class. Okay, so now that is the same height. You can set the height to the first child of the parent via CSS2, might be better, would avoid the nesting issue. Oh, interesting. Now, where would I put that? Because that'd be in the row. I want the first child. No, in the column. Add another class to this to make like children full height. Okay. Let's see. And then I want to remove all the other stuff that I just did. So move that. What would our new class be? I don't have like anything for, I guess this would be an override, wouldn't it? Wait, I have utility. Utility overrides. Okay, so I could do anything with a row. I can just say hey, all rows, or I can make a new class where it's like children children 100, children H 100, and then we'll say children H 100 star like that, height 100%. Okay, children H 100. Now I need to go find okay, so everywhere we've added this H 100. So in card, remove you. UV style, that's fine. Okay, then that's fine. Should verify that things go back to the way they were. Okay, they're back the way they were. So then in the row, no, in the column. It's in the column, isn't it? Yeah, where I have call SM, I need to pass in a class of children H100. So if I update that here now, bam, that becomes full size. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Wait, I do it this one too. Children H100. There. Okay, now they're the same size. So I need to do it to both of those. Where do I use call? So this is in, this I believe is in the list. Okay, so here's our container. We have a row. We have the section header. We have another row. Here's our column. Class is it going to be children H100. Bam. Okay, perfect. So you're good to go there. This is yew. So we're using yew.rs, which is based on React. Okay, you're the right size there. And if we come into here, you're all the same size as here, which I now need to give you a little bit more space, but we'll get to you later. It looks similar but different. Yeah. I have tried Leptos a little bit. I liked it. And I want to go back into it a little bit. There's the documentation that they're using. I think there's like one thing in there that they say you need nightly for, which I'm eagerly awaiting for them to get rid of that so I can play around with it without nightly. Because I tend to not use nightly as much as I can. Okay, so we have you. Let's double check. Okay, so this is a front page. Front page. I mean, it would technically be better if these like centered themselves. Which they center themselves here, but they don't center it here. That being said, I'm not going to worry about this right now because it works pretty well. And I don't know how many people are going to be on mobile. I know that some people are. But it works is better than anything else. Probably with issue. Do the pages videos work? Yeah, that's gonna be. We haven't even gotten to the articles where the those things are. We've now managed to do the front page. Okay, so wait, that wasn't it. Front page. Okay, good. Yeah, yeah, we're eventually gonna get there, but I am running out of time today. If let's take a look at it now. That way you can get you some where's the video? Do I not what? Is like way off screen? Hold on. It's like not even close, right? Oh, this one doesn't have a video. Yeah, there's no video in this one. Cool. Excellent. I love that. Introduction to the Docker course. I thought we created. Didn't I create a video for that one? Hold on. Let me go take a look at YouTube. See if I've got it. Did I never record it? Oh yeah. I never recorded a video for this one. Well, that explains that. Okay. What is ID for the, let me do guess or course article content. Okay. Want you Okay, so installing Docker is that. Okay. Mark course article as preview. There we go. That's how we fix things, right? Yeah, so apparently I don't have an article in this one at all. It's not on YouTube, it's not anywhere. I don't know where it would be. So introduction to Docker does not have one, but the installing Docker does. So that's cool. So then, all right, so this doesn't look too bad on a big screen. Great, fine, right? Let's it's like, okay, we're still okay. We're still okay. Yeah, well, yeah. Okay, let's go to an iPhone 12. And this is what we got. Which is, oh, ad break just started. Not great. Not great. Bootstrap has a fix for this. This is going to be a redesign for something like this, isn't it? Push content on large screen, but overlay on small screen. Oh. Huh. How do I... Hey, don't play. Oh, right, because it's an iframe. Yeah, we have to make the sidebar toggleable. Yeah, so there's going to be a bunch of work we have to do for this. Like everything is going to be easy until we get to like the things that have the side nav bar. So I have to make that toggleable or swipeable. So I can like swipe it on or have a button to toggle it somewhere. Like I can imagine having like a button here to show that. I have to make these on the, I have to make these, let's see, handle that. I guess like this taking up the full width of the screen is perfectly fine. Okay. For right now, yeah, it'll be easy once I handle the sidebar, which I don't think I have time. So I need to stop at 2 p.m. So I have half an hour left at most. Making a video squeeze into the content would be helpful. Okay, so what would happen if I tried to set you to have a... If I do that, like just set the width to be 100%, is this doable? Okay, so we could do this. I could do this. First off, if I just, let's see, iframe. I don't have anything in here. Each lesson has a button at the bottom that goes to the next lesson, right? Yeah. There. The left bar could be hidden on very small screens. Yeah, I would imagine that I would hide this on everything but small screens with some kind of hamburger menu or something like that. Or maybe I have even like up like right above the title, like maybe before the course, below the course title, above the article title, I have maybe a toggle that just has show breadcrumbs or a drop down. This is why this is a design problem here. We have to design this. Okay, so I will think about the design of this during the week, and then when we come back to this project on Monday, we'll do that. Well, the video fits on mine because I just hard coded this. I need to figure out if I put this on course content, do it like RestDocs. I need to I use RestDocs all the time and I forget what it looks like because it just sort of goes into the back. I wonder if I want okay, course content. Normally, I would tell somebody to never use a ID for styling, but I think I'm going to break that rule. So if I do that, there, okay. It looks terrible, but it technically fits in there. Oh, that's what the thing is. I've never looked at the RestDocs on my phone. Oh, okay. And there's a button that toggles it. Okay, we'll have to research that. Let's go ahead and get this deployed out though, so that way, before I forget. Okay, that is deployed. Blah, can you check it and see if it works for you now? Thank you, Alamath, for everything. I'm going to add that tidbit into the ticket here. So from blah, okay, so to do. Okay, so left to do, we want to, home screen is looking good. So what else do we need to make good? Home screen's looking good. Courses screen is looking good. Course details is looking good there. Okay, so course details needs to be fixed. So course details page, on desktop. I guess like, how did I get two toggles? Okay, so course details page. Preview. Okay, so preview. So this would be course access page. And then course article, course access article, course access article page. Okay, just those three. How hard that can that be? Which obviously is going to be a big deal because a big part of this is going to be that that toggle. But maybe if we do like a toggle, button toggle, as opposed to like swiping or anything else, that will be faster. Okay, we've been at this for a long time. I've been streaming for a little over 5 hours. And a good chunk of it has been working on this. We got 2 things done, and one in progress for one of them. So that's good. Yesterday we got like 6 things done, which was really nice. But today's things were a little bit bigger, so that makes sense. Blah, does it work better for you? Here, I can check too. I want to make sure it works actually for you though. Okay, so here I am like this. You open the site, it pauses the video playback here when you try it 1 minute. Oh yeah, that totally makes sense. Okay, so if I go to courses, go to you, open the course. Oh, I broke. Now the video looks weird here. I need like a height set for this too. Interesting. Or no, the height's hard coded in. I need to like do something else, but it's fine for right now. And if I reduce you down, wait, it's missing the full screen button? Huh, mine has the full screen right there. Huh, even when I drop this down to a really small size. Was that an Apple issue? Oh no, okay, hold on, let me check this with my phone. Okay, so front page looks good. Go to courses, go into the course, preview. It looks terrible. That's fine. Go to installing Docker. Okay. If you start playing it, the full screen button shows up down there. But if I refresh the page, there is no full screen button. Like, even if I just sort of click on it, I have to start playing it, and then the full screen button appears. That is stupid. That is an Apple issue. There's nothing I can do right now. Wait, the reader view is fantastic. Hold on. I've never really used reader view. How do I launch reader view? Oh, there. Okay. No, that's history. Actually, I'm actually. How do you launch reader? Top left of search bar. What? No? Oh, show reader. Oh, it's because I have dev mode on. I have dev mode on, so like it opens that and then I can open up reader. Okay, yeah, I happen to make it where reader view works really well. It turned off the... So their reader mode figured out that it doesn't need the nav and then removes it. Okay, got it. Nice. I know it looks terrible. Sorry about that. I guess that's part of the beta testing, right? We'll eventually get this going, and it will probably be a toggle. I wonder if I should do a toggle page change and have like a mobile... No, if a mobile view doesn't work, I could just like do, not a modal, but have it like swipe over in front or have it like appear in front. I'll have to think about that. There's going to be some design considerations once we get there, but that's going to be the biggest, obviously the most work for this. And that might be all of next week. We'll see. Oh, the button disappears. Yeah, because reader view is just for reading, right? Like there's no buttons in reader view. So then you have to swipe left to go back into the... No, you can't swipe left. That takes you back. You have to exit reader view and then go to the button. Yeah, I don't know how to add in a button on a reader view. That might be something interesting. I might be able to use a link on a paragraph with a background. I will add that in for something to investigate, but no promises, right? Let's see. Add link to complete article to Apple Safari reader view mobile. Actually, we have a real story. We have a real story, right? Like as a learner using mobile Safari in reader mode, reader view, I want to mark an article complete. Okay, we'll take a look at that next time. Although this one, I probably am going to put it into the backlog and not have it required for going. But if I fix everything else, you won't need reader view. So maybe that's a thing. Ox Kernel, hello, yo, how are you doing today? Let's see, and I think that's all I've got today. It's been a long day. We got a lot done. We got some good stuff done. I'm glad that we're able to get it barely working for you, Blah, and I'm looking forward to making it work even better next week. So with that, so let's see, today's Tuesday. Okay, so tomorrow I'll be back. We're streaming. Tomorrow is Wednesday. It's fun day. So we're streaming more Shenzhen IO, which is a programming game mixed with electrical engineering. So if you're interested in electrical engineering games where you also program assembly, come check it out. It's been an interesting, fun time so far. And every single time I always wonder, is this going to be the one where I get stuck and can't actually progress and we're done? I don't know. I never know. All right. So with that being said, I hope you all have a great rest of your days. And if I see you tomorrow, we'll see you then. Otherwise, I will see you next time, wherever that is. Have a good one, and bye.